Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibira. Ibuhos ang talento at galing, wag magpatalo. Isa puso ang laro kung gusto mong ikay manalo. Tanghaling isa sa mga pinakamagagaling sa inyong lugar, ipakita ang dating. Ilabas ang angas at ang inyong tigas. Pagdating sa laro ay hindi umaatras. Patunayan sa Laguna na ikaw ang malakas. Abutin mo ang pangarap kahit gaano kataas. Laguna Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga ng mga lehitimo, walang naiiba. Sigurado ang bakbakan, walang kaduda-duda. Sa larangan ng basketball kami ngayon bibida. Iba ang lakas ng mga tiga Laguna, palaban ay sipag lalo na sa disiplina. Higil sa laro, alam mo na determinado, papalag kahit kanino kahit saan mo idayo. Laguna Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Ibuhos ang talento at galing, wag magpatalo. Isa puso ang laro kung gusto mong ikay manalo. Tanghaling isa sa mga pinakamagagaling sa inyong lugar, ipakita ang dating. Ilabas ang angas at ang inyong tigas. Pagdating sa laro ay hindi umaatras. Patunayan sa Laguna na ikaw ang malakas. Abutin mo ang pangarap kahit gaano kataas. Laguna Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na Tigal Laguna, tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na. Sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna, Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lehitimong Tigal Laguna, tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na. Sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna, Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lehitimong Tigal Laguna, tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na. Sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna, Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lehitimong Tigal Laguna, tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na. Sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna, Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lehitimong Tigal Laguna, tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na. Sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga ng mga lehitimo, walang naiiba. Sigurado ang bakbakan, walang kaduda-duda. Sa larangan ng basketball kami ngayon bibida. Iba ang lakas ng mga Tigal Laguna, palaban ay sipag lalo na sa disiplina. Ligil sa laro, alam mo na determinado, papalagkahin kanino kahit saan mo idayo. Laguna, Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lehitimong Tigal Laguna, tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na. Sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna, Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lehitimong Tigal Laguna, tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na. Sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Ibuhos ang talento at galing, wag magpatalo. Isa puso ang laro kung gusto mong ikay manalo. Tanghaling isa sa mga pinakamagagaling. Sa inyong lugar, ipakita ang dating. Ilabas ang angas at ang inyong tigas. Pagdating sa laro ay hindi umaatras. Patunayan sa Laguna na ikaw ang malakas. Abutin mo ang pangarap kahit gano'ng kataas. Laguna, Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lehitimong Tigal Laguna, tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na. Sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna, Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lehitimong Tigal Laguna, tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na. Sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna, Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lehitimong Tigal Laguna, tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na. Sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna, Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lehitimong Tigal Laguna, tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na. Sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna, Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lehitimong Tigal Laguna, tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na. Sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna, Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lehitimong Tigal Laguna, tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na. Sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga ng mga lehitimo, walang naiiba. Sigurado ang bakbakan, walang kaduda-duda. Sa larangan ng basketball kami ngayon bibida. Iba ang lakas ng mga Tigal Laguna, palaban ay sipag lalo na sa disiplina. Ligil sa laro, alam mo na determinado, papalagkahin kanino kahit saan mo idayo. Laguna, Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lehitimong Tigal Laguna, tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na. Sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna, Velvet Cup, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lehitimong Tigal Laguna, tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na. Sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Ibuhos ang talento at galing, wag magpatalo. Isa puso ang laro kung gusto mong ikay manalo. galing, ipakita mo na. Sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna, Bebet Cup, Intertown, ito na. Liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na. Sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna, Bebet Cup, Intertown, ito na. Liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na. Sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna, Bebet Cup, Intertown, ito na. Liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na. Sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna, Bebet Cup, Intertown, ito na. Liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na. Sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Bebet Cup, Intertown, ito na. Liga ng mga lehitimo, walang naiiba. Sigurado ang bakbakan, walang kaduda-duda. Sa larangan ng basketball kami ngayon bibida. Diba ang lakas ng mga tiga Laguna. Palaban ay sipag, lalo na sa disiplina. Ligil sa laro, alam mo na determinado. Papalag kahit kanino, kahit saan mo idayo. Laguna, Bebet Cup, Intertown, ito na. Liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na. Sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida.
We are live here now sa Rizal Laguna, Rizal Civic Center. We have our first game of the day between Calamba Carabaos and Santa Rosa One Aplaya para sa ating 25 under division ng Laguna Velvet Cup Intertown. This is the last day of the elimination between both teams. Santa Rosa with a 5-3 standing, while Calamba with a 4-4 standing. That's the first basket magagaling dito, Santa Rosa. Now there goes a steal. Now Montoya, kick out. Dia on 3, that's good. (5-0) to start our opening period. Now Dadang, nice move. Inside the paint, Rocker Dadang with the basket. Now another steal. Rog Enoch passes on to Diaz. Back-to-back basket for the Calamba Carabaos. Now here comes Kaiko, double team. Another steal. Calamba with a fast break. Javi with an easy basket. There goes another turnover para dito sa Santa Rosa. Now here comes Diaz. Top of the key. Dadang. Inside. Kick out. Finds Diaz. Corner. No good. Offensive rebound, Dadang. Now Javi. Nice move. Now Calamba with a 1-point lead. That's a block by Dadang. Diadain Ponder. Now Montoya on 3. Nagawa ng bola. Dadang pushing the ball. Finds Diaz. Basket again. Another transition for Calamba. Na Evangelio. Ibigay dito kay Montoya. Against Diaz. Pass up. Dimaano. Post up. Evangelio. Top of the key. That's good. 3-pointer for Evangelio. Enoch wide open. No good. Here comes Santa Rosa. Montoya again. Evangelio tries another. No good this time. Javi finds Enoch. Nice block by Dimaano. Give it Dia. Defense to offense. We have a whistle after the basket. Now that's a foul on Dimaano. Dadang gives it to Diaz. Another steal. Evangelio. Dia finds Kaiko. No good. Now Dadang. Diaz again on 3. Montoya the rebound. Pushing the ball. Finds Evangelio. Lefty layup is good. Diaz. Again. But we have a foul. That's a whistle on Evangelio. We have our first time out of the ball game. Magagaling dito sa Calamba Carabaos. Magbabalik ang Velvet South Basketball. And we are back. Calamba with the ball possession. Now Diaz off the glass is good. There goes Montoya. Ibigay dito kay Dia. Top of the key against Galicia. Diaz takes the pass. Montoya to Evangelio on tray. Yes, sir! Dadang inside, no good. Pass break, Montoya with the basket. Diaz, now Mirabel has it. Nice pass. Diaz, no good. Kick out. Now Javi tries the three, no good. Other rebound, now Mirabel. 10 seconds to shoot. Mirabel, free throw jumper. In and out. Diaz again. Mirabel to Javi. Javi with the sidestep. But that's a traveling violation. Have a substitution. Evan Magtibay checks in for Bryl Diaz. Under 5 minutes. Now here comes Di Maano. Ibigay dito kay Montoya. Montoya. On three. That's good. Dadang. Gave it to Caleb Bayani on three. Another miss para sa Calamba. Now Di Maano pushing the ball. Di Maano against Mirabel and lays it in. Santa Rosa with a 10-point lead. Under 4 minutes. Now Bayani. On to himself. Bayani no good. Now Dia. Ibigay dito. Di Maano. Finds Montoya. Extra pass. Lacerna. Nice ball movement coming from Santa Rosa. Now Rocker Dadang. Loses the ball. Then steals again. Now Mirabel. To Bayani. On three. Yes, sir! Caleb Bayani with a three-pointer. Now Montoya finds Di Maano again inside the paint. Count the basket plus the foul. Now Charles Di Maano. The bonus shot is good. 3-point play for Charles Di Maano. (27-15) is our score. Santa Rosa up by 12. Caleb step back on three. That's good. Kailan Bayani on three. Kailan Bayani bibigay dito Swings to Magtibay. Again, puts it in. Another 3 for Calamba Carabaos and timeout para Santa Rosa. 2 minutes and 16 seconds magbabalik ang Velvet South Basketball. Now we are back to the ball game. 2 minutes here in the first quarter. We have a whistle on Heaven Magtibay. Now Martinez magbaba ng bola. Ibigay dito kay Dimaano. Can't handle the pass. So here comes Kaylan Bayani. Bayani against Kada. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Nabasero to Magtibay. 5 seconds. Shot clock winding down. Kaylan Bayani on 3, but we have a whistle. That's a foul on Kada. On Kaylan Bayani. Now Bayani on the free throw line. Now makes the first one. Also the second is good for Kaylan Bayani. Now makes it a 3-4-3. Villegas gets trapped. So Lasco, extra pass, loses the ball. Lacerna on the other end, coast to coast. Now Navasero, bibigay dito kay Bayani. Finds Magtibay, that's blocked by Kada. That's the same ball possession. With 9 seconds to shoot. Navasero, kick out, Magtibay. The floater is good. Heaven Magtibay. Under 1 minute remaining. 29-26, 3-point lead by Santa Rosa. Now Villegas finds Lacerna. We have another whistle. That's on Solasco. That's his first personal foul. Lacerna on the line. Two for Lacerna. 31-26. Now Bayani again. The screen by Alota. Another steal. Now Ignacio intercepted Abasero to Bayani on 3. Yes, sir! Kellen Bayani, another 3-pointer. Now Lacerna tries to answer back. That's an air ball. "16 seconds remaining. Bayani, Solasco on the post up. Nice defense by Santa Rosa. Another whistle for Heaven Magtibay. Now 6 seconds to go here in the opening frame. Santa Rosa with the final possession. Now Villegas. That's it para sa ating first quarter. Our score is 31-29. 2-point lead by Santa Rosa at magbabalik ang Velvet South Basketball. We are back to the ball game para sa ating second quarter. Now Dadang on 3. That's good! Roar Dadang with a 3-pointer. Now Kada answers back with another 3-pointer. Now Dadang, kick ball. Same ball possession, Kalamba pa rin ang bola. Sean Ventura, ibigay dito kay Solasco. Kick out, swings to Bayani. On to Dadang, corner 3, no good. Intercepted the pass. Now here comes Salota. Bayani. Alota, free throw jumper, no good. Solasco the rebound. Count the basket. And one. Solasco with offensive board. And the basket plus the foul. Now there goes Montoya. Ignacio makakalusot. That was too strong. Ignacio. Nice steal. Dadang finds Solasco. But we have a whistle on Montoya. Now Solasco back on the line. Now makes the first one. Makes it 2 for 2 para kay Solasco. Dia gets trapped. Another steal by Calamba. Nice pass and nice find by Yanni. Finding Ventura. Kada. Nice movement by Santa Rosa. Now out of bounds. We have a substitution for Santa Rosa. Yan, ibibigay dito kay Ventura. Dadang top of the key. Gives it to Kailan Bayani. Another three, no good. Now Alota, that's an offensive foul. For Alota. Montoya. Dia. Ibigay dito ang bola. Bow. Extra pass. Ignacio. Short jumper, no good. Dadang. Ventura on the other end. That's an easy basket. So yeah, Bow. Another steal. Nice defense by Calamba. Extra pass. Ventura. Left hand. Basket. Another easy deuce for Calamba. Now Montoya. Count the basket. But that was an offensive foul. Again, that's an offensive foul against Montoya. Now here comes Ventura. Finds Bayani. Back to Bayani on three. Too strong. Now Alota with the offensive board. (44-36) our score. 8-point lead by Calamba Carabaos. Montoya find Dia. Extra pass. Di Maano. Basket is good. Dadang finds Mirabel. Nice move. Mirabel against two defenders. Dia inside pass. Ignacio. Almost a steal by Dadang. Out of bounds. Dia again, may tangan ng bola. Count the basket. Joas Dia. Beyond the arc with a chance for a 4-point play. Joas Dia with a bonus shot. It's good. Dadang splits the defender. Alota, basket, plus the foul. What a reverse by Rodolfo Alota. And plus the foul, sending him to the line. Can't complete the 3-point play. Dimano, bibigay dito kay Montoya against Dadang. Montoya, nice pass, give and go. Charles Dimano. Montoya with a nice setup. Nice pass. Dadang to Sean Ventura with an easy deuce. 6-point game, 50-44. Montoya wide open. That's good. Mirabel against Ignacio. Inside the paint. Nice defense by Ignacio. Montoya again. Rice another three. This time no good. Now here comes Dadang. Almost a turnover. Finds Mirabel inside. Nice pass coming from Barail Diaz. Ignacio, kick out, bow, wide open. Misses the shot. Joas Dia, beyond the arc, no good. Dadang, steal by Montoya. Montoya running shot, in and out. Dimaano, offensive board, no good. We have another whistle. That's a pushing foul on Montoya. Bryl Diaz onto the free throw line. And shoot the first free throw. Second shot for Bryl Diaz. No good on the second attempt. Martinez on the floor with Bao Dimaano, Evangelio, and Tia. Bao gives it. Jump ball. Nice block by Diaz. Evangelio to Dimaano inside the paint. That's good. Nice extra pass by Evangelio. Now Navasero against two defenders. He have a foul. Whistle. Bryce Diaz back on the line. Another 2-4-2 para kay Diaz. Martinez, nice find. Evangelio for the easy deuce. Mirabel against Di Maano. Hand off to Diaz. Diaz against Dia. Kick out, Mirabel. Nice fake. Elbow jumper, no good. Enoch. He have a foul. Another miss for Rochi Enoch. Now Dia swings the ball. Evangelio. Nice defense by Mirabel. 7 seconds on the shot clock. Di Maano, nice move. That was a miss. Now here comes Calamba, Navasero. Fast break, Mirabel. Easy basket. A timeout para Santa Rosa, Juana Playa. Under 2 minutes remaining. Magbabalik ang Velvet South Basketball. We are back under 2 minutes remaining here in the second period. Calamba Carabao with a 6-point lead, 57-51. Almost a steal. Evangelio kick out. Now Dia. No good. Di Maano again, offensive board. We have a foul. That's on Mirabel. Charles Di Maano again on the free throw line. There goes the steal. Dia finds Evangelio on 3. Navasero the rebound. Now here comes Calamba. Transition. Diaz. And a steal by Martinez. Di Maano gets doubled. Almendral, bibigay dito. Martinez, top of the 3-pointer, no good. We have another whistle off the ball. That's a foul on Enoch. "46 seconds remaining. Dimaano, no good. Kalen Bayani attacking the paint. Now 30 seconds. Dia. Ibigay dito kay Almendral. Against Navasero. Almendral. Dimaano, elbow jumper, no good. Evangelio on the other end. Wala. Out of bounds, same ball. Nanatili pa rin ang bola Santa Rosa with 6 seconds remaining. Dia, we have a foul by Navasero. Dia on the free throw line. Makes the first one. Makes the second. We have a timeout coming from Calamba. 5 seconds remaining. Magbabalik ang Velvet South Basketball. 5 seconds remaining here in the second quarter. Kalamba trying to make a play. Out of the timeout by Yanni on three. No good. Now that's it para sa ating first half. 59-55. 4-point lead para sa Kalamba Carabaos. Magbabalik ang Velvet South Basketball after this halftime break. We are back para sa ating second half. Andito pa rin tayo sa Rizal Civic Center. Now Bayani for the opening quarter with a three-pointer. Kaiko kick out. Now Montoya against Heaven. Finds Kaiko. Extra pass. Di Maano. Now we have a whistle. Magdibay handoff. Dadang. Inside pass. Solasco on the elbow. Alota, the free throw jumper is good. That's a traveling violation for Montoya. And now Dadang. Nabantayan dito ni Joas Dia. Alota with the screen. Finds Bayani again on three. That's good! Kalen Bayani knocks down another three. Now Dia. Inside pass, Di Maano. Another whistle. That's a foul on Alota. Now Di Maano on the free throw line. One out of two for Charles Di Maano. Dadang magbaba ng bola para sa Kalamba. Dadang inside. Alota. The short jumper is good. Now Kalamba with an 11-point lead here in the third quarter. Now Dia. We have a whistle or Bayani. Dia the inbounder. Bibigay dito kay Martinez. Martinez. Montoya. Wing three-pointer. No good. Bayani against Martinez. Alota. No good. Now Montoya pushing the ball. Maiipit dito. We have another foul. That's on Solasco. Now again, Dia. Mana with the low post. Balik dito kay Dia. Swings the ball to Martinez. Martinez kick out. Dia on three. Short. Now Dadang inside. Solasco. Whistle on Kaiko. Holding Solasco in the paint. Pipituhan siya dito ng ating mga referees. Now Solasco again. Got stopped by Di Maano. Same ball possession. 11 seconds to shoot para sa Kalamba Carabaos. Dadang bibigay dito kay Bayani. Bayani again. We have another whistle by our referee officials. Signaling for unsportsmanlike foul on Kaiko. Now Miguel Caico will be out for 3 minutes for unsportsmanlike foul. Same ball possession. 40 seconds to shoot para sa Calamba. Now Heaven Magtibay, hand up to Bayani. The nice fake. Bayani, again, no good. That's a pushing foul for Kaylan Bayani. Now Dia wide open, no good. Bayani again with the rebound. Dadang dito magbaba ng bola. So Lasco with the screen. Dadang finds Alota. Alota, running shot, no good. Now here comes Dia. Swings it to Martinez. Nice defense by Dadang. Intercepted the pass by Magtibay. Now here comes Dadang. And there's still Lacerna, Dia. The jumper is good. Joas Dia with a pull-up jumper. We have an injury timeout. Joas Dia is down on the floor. Dimano against Mirabel. Dia attacking the paint. The lefty no good. Dimano. Another whistle. That's on Mirabel. Dimano again makes the free throw. Mirabel bibigay dito kay Javi. Javi gets robbed. Intercepted. Now Dimano. The layup is short. Nabasero pushing the ball. Nice pass to Roch Enoch. Five minutes here in the third quarter. Calamba Carabas with a 10-point lead. Martinez, the pull-up. We have another whistle. And a potential unsportsmanlike foul. No, that's a regular foul. That's a regular foul on Lacerna. And now referee officials are correcting the call. Now upgraded to unsportsmanlike foul on Lacerna. Lacerna will be out for 3 minutes. Now Javi Galicia on the free throw line. Fourteen seconds to shoot for the Carabaos. Basero bibigay ulit dito kay Ventura. Mirabel on the post up. Mirabel against Ignacio. Fade away jumper, no good. Now Ignacio finding Martinez. Martinez no good. Happy ka ng bola. We have a whistle on the floor. That's another foul on Andre Mirabel. Ignacio makes the first free throw. Second time, 2 for 2 for Aaron Ignacio. Enoch, bibigay dito, Sean Ventura. The steal by Charles Dimahano. Now Martinez, finding Jowa. That's a block by Rog. Out of bounds, same ball. Nadia finding Ignacio. No good. We have another foul. Whistle on Dimaano. Roger now again. 1 out of 2 on the line. Back to 10-point lead para sa Kalamba. Dia gives it to Ignacio. Now Kada diggers a seal. Sean Ventura. Nice pass. Tabasero, no good. Abi. You have another whistle para Santa Rosa, sending Javi back on the free throw line. Javi Galicia makes the first free throw. Again, makes it 2 for 2. Rocar Dadang checks in with Rodolfo Alota under 4 minutes. Now Chandler Kada. No good. Dadang pass break. Sean Ventura on the other end. Nice pass coming from Rocar Dadang. Now Martinez, top of the key. Ignacio. The running shot is good. Dadang again, finding Alota. Elbow jumper, no good. Offensive board. Enoch. Now Ventura on 3. That's an air ball. Charles Dimana with the ball. Ibigay dito kay Dia. Dia, nice pass. We have a foul whistle on Sean Ventura. Now that's a miss for Charles Dimano. Now makes the second. Dadang, bibigay dito. There goes a steal. Evangelio. Now Martinez. Ten seconds to shoot. Dia. Ignacio, top of the key, attacking the paint. And another foul will be whistle. That's on Kaylan Bayani. Aaron Ignacio makes the first free throw. Second shot again. Now Dadang pushing the ball. Roar Dadang, nice move. The spin and the lefty layup is good. Roar Dadang. Dimaano on the other end. Subukan bumawi. That's no good. Kaylan Bayani. Dadang again. Raj Enoch. Elbow no good. Now 2 minutes remaining. Evangelio. Give it to Martinez. Martinez. No good. Now Dimano has the ball. Another missed shot para Santa Rosa. Now here comes Javi. Finding Kaylan Bayani. Transition for the Carabaos. Another easy deuce for Calamba. That's a foul whistle para dito kay Rodolfo Alota. Aaron Ignacio again back on the line. One out of two for Ignacio. Now Dadang. Finds Kaylan. No good. Alota. Rebound. And that's an offensive foul. Whistle on Rodolfo Alota. Now Alota with his fourth personal foul. A minute and 22 seconds to go. Calamba Carabaos with a 13-point lead. Almendral, the long two, no good. Bayani again tries another three. Brian Diaz, offensive board. Dadang, nice find. No good. We have another whistle. Foul on Brian Diaz. Charles Simano again on the line, no good. And another miss. So Lasco with the rebound. Under a minute to play. Enoch, give it. Dadang inside pass. So Lasco fade away, no good. "30 seconds. Almendral against Rocar Dadang. Finds Evangelio. Back to Almendral. Inside pass. Kaiko, the spin. Baseline is good. 15 seconds. Dadang, give it. So Lasco inside, too strong. Balik Santa Rosa ang bola with 7 seconds. Evangelio on three. Yes, sir! That's it para sa ating third quarter, 82-74. Babalik ang Velvet South Basketball para sa ating fourth quarter. Now this is the last and final quarter. Para sa ating first game, Calamba Carbaos with an 8-point lead against Santa Rosa Juana Playa. Now Dadang. Turnover para sa Calamba. Almendral on the other end is good. Kailan Bayani. Dadang swings the ball. Brian Diaz, corner. Too strong. Again, here comes Santa Rosa. Evangelio. Nokada, bibigay dito kay Dimaano. That's the same ball. Evangelio. Almendral, top of the key. Shot clock with 5 seconds. Evangelio, kick out. Kada. Evangelio no good. Now here comes Dadang. Bayani. With the basket. Now Almendral. Makakalusot. Almendral no good. Now that's an 8 seconds violation. 40 seconds para Santa Rosa. Almendral, bibigay dito kay Kaiko. Kick out, Kada on 3. Kaiko, the offensive board. Kaiko with the basket. Now Dadang again. Bayani wide open. We have a whistle. That's again on Miguel Kaiko. Dadang, 10 seconds to shoot. Magtibay on 3. Tatapik ang bola, papunta dito kay Dadang. Extra pass, again Magtibay. The pull-up, basket's good. You have another whistle on the floor. That's on Heaven Magtibay. Kada the inbounder. Bibigay dito kay Charles Di Maano. Hand up to Kada. Finds Kaiko. Again, Kaiko no good. Bayani with the rebound. Now, Rocker Dadang. Magtibay, wide open. No good. Inside pass, Kaiko. Finds Almendral, off the glass for 2. Six-point game, 86-80. Adang finds Bayani again, on trade, puts it in. Kailan Bayani leading the Calamba Carabaos with 27 points. Magtibay. Bibigay dito. Solasco. Extra pass. Dadang. Pull up. No good. Evangelio. The pull up three. No good. Dadang with the rebound. Again. Bayani. Short jumper. No good. Almendral, bibigay dito. Charles Di Maano against 2. Almendral. Six the ball. Evangelio, corner. No good. Dadang finds Roj. Easy basket. That's a timeout for Santa Rosa. Calamba Carabaos with 11-point lead. Nagbabalik ang Velvet South Basketball. 5 minutes remaining here in the fourth period. Now we have a whistle on Navasero. Now John Robic Montoya back on the floor. Montoya with a nice move. That's a miss. That's a kickball violation. Now 14 seconds para Santa Rosa. Nice find, Kaiko. Masyado ng malalim. Now Mirabel. Pass break, Ventura. Intercepted by Kada. Kada, pass. Kaiko. He have another whistle. On to Navasero. Now Kaiko again. The free throw is good. Second one's missed. Charles Dimano, the offensive board is good. Now Charles Dimano with 25 points. And 12 rebounds. Now here comes Santa Rosa again. Transition, Dia, basket. Timeout para sa Calamba Carabaos. 91-85 with 4 minutes remaining. Magbabalik ang Velvet South Basketball. (91-85), 6-point lead. Balawa sa anim ang kalambangan ng Kalamba. Now here comes Dadang. Dadang with a crossover move. The pull up no good. Bigyan ng bola. You have another foul. Whistle on Chandler Kada. (14 seconds to shoot for the Carabaos. Now Rocar Dadang top of the key. 10 seconds to shoot. Brian Diaz. And that's a traveling violation. Now under 4 minutes. Dia, corner three, that's good! Joas Dia cutting the lead to just 3 points, 91-88. Now Dadang tries to answer back, no good. Alota The putback is good. Now again, that's a turnover. Now Bayani. Bibigay dito kay Dadang. Mirabel with the screen. Dadang finds Heaven wide open. No good. Another possession para dito sa Kalamba. Now Kaylan Bayani attacking. And that's a turnover para sa Kalamba. Nice pass. Kaiko. But intercepted by Alota. Dadang finds Mirabel. Basket is good. Andre Mirabel running in transition. There goes the last 2 minutes para sa ating first game. Now another miss para Santa Rosa. Dadang inside pass, kick out, Magtibay. No good, Alota. That's a whistle on Miguel Caico. That's his fourth personal foul. Now Alota back on the free throw line. Now Alota makes the first free throw. Misses the second, 96-88. 1 minute and 40. Now Montoya, a crossover inside the running shot, using the glass for two. Magtibay on the other end. No good. Montoya on three. That's good! John Rovic Montoya sets his feet on three. One possession ball game. Shot clock winding down. Dadang. No good. Again, pupunta pa rin sa Kalamba ang bola. Alota, the jumper's good. 54 seconds. 5-point lead para sa Kalamba. Now it's crunch time. Dia on three. Puts it in! Joas Dia. And now we have a whistle. That's a double foul on Montoya and Magtibay. We have a timeout coming from Kalamba Carabaos. 40 seconds remaining. Magbabalik ang Velvet South Basketball. Back to the ball game. 40 seconds remaining. Kailan Bayani. Didiskarte para sa Kalamba. Alot at the screen. Ibigay dito kay Dadang. Mirabel on the post up. Alota, the block shot by Di Maano. 5 seconds. Dadang on to no good. Now Mirabel. We have a whistle on the floor. That's on Miguel Caico. Miguel Caico. Will be fouled out. Now we have a timeout for Santa Rosa. Correction, the foul will be called on Joas Dia, not on Miguel Caico. The penalty situation for both teams. Now Mirabel, 2-4-2. 19 seconds. Shot clock is off. Now Dia, top of the key. Dia, the three-pointer, no good. But we have a foul whistle. That's on Dadang. Now Charles Di Maano back on the line. Makes the first one. Makes it 2-4-2. Charles Di Maano. 25 points, 14 rebounds. Timeout para sa Kalamba. Magbabalik ang Velvet South basketball with 8 seconds remaining. Now 8 seconds. One possession ball game. 4 seconds, but we have a foul. Now Kalen Bayani on the free throw line. Now makes the first one. Again, Kalen Bayani. Two for two. Timeout again para Santa Rosa with 4 seconds. Magbabalik ang Velvet South Basketball. Now we are back to the ball game. 4 seconds. 2 possession ball game. Santa Rosa trying to make a play out of the timeout. Gada the inbounder. Dia pop out on 3. No good. Again, Dia. That's it. Para sa ating first game. Calamba Carabaos takes on Santa Rosa, Juana Playa, 102-98. Now, para sa ating Brotherhood best player of the game, that's Kalen Bayani. Kalen Bayani with 29 points and 6 rebounds, 1 assist, and 3 steals para sa ating best player, Brotherhood best player of the game.